Welcome to my YouTube channel Electrical Boost. Today we solve some problem using supermose analysis. Okay, let's a question is given. Question is find voltage drop across 1 ohm resistor. Okay, here we use supermose method because here you see, here is 3 loop. First let this is I1, this is second loop I2, and this is third loop. Take it I3. We cannot directly apply mesh equation because a 2 ampere current source present between loop 1 and loop 2. So we consider loop 1 and loop 2 as super mesh. Okay, let's consider this one is super mesh. Okay, this one is super mesh. Okay. Apply KVL at super mesh. Okay, here apply KVL in super mesh. Okay, first we mention the polarity of the voltage polarity. Okay, the current I1 is flowing like that. We assume that. Okay, so that is plus, that's minus. Okay, this here I2 is flowing through the plus minus and plus minus. We write a KVL equation. Okay, if you do not know how to apply KVL in mesh analysis, you can go with my previous video. Okay, here apply, this is 1 into I1. Okay, and then minus 6 then plus, here I2 current, I2 and I3 current is flowing through them. I3 is entering, I2 is another way, so that 6 into I2 minus I3, because we consider I2 as low, so that I2 is higher. Okay, then plus 4I2. Okay, so after solving this equation we find how much I1, this 6I2, this 10, 10I2, then minus 6 I3 is equal to 6. This is our first equation, and then apply KCL at node where this current source is connected. Okay, again redraw one KCL circuit. Okay, this is voltage minus plus. Okay, this is 2 ampere. Okay, like that now. See, here I1 is flowing in this way, or finally in this way I1. Okay, and here I2 is like that. Okay, I2 is, it's 2 ampere. Okay, 2 ampere. Then here is I2 in this way. So the current, so the equation is I1 plus 2, because they are same entering and I2 is leaving. Okay, I1 minus I2 equal to minus 2. This is our second equation. Okay, next our third equation from loop 3. Apply KVL at loop number 3. Okay, here first take polarity plus minus, and this is plus minus. Okay, apply KVL at loop 3. Okay, so how this is the equation? This is 6 plus 2 into how much? I3, and then plus 6 into I3 minus I2 equal to 0. Then after simplify the circuit is that how much? This is 6 minus I2, sorry, minus 6 I2, then plus 8 I3 is equal to minus 6. Okay, if we take minus as common, then 6 I2 minus 8 I3 is equal to 6. This is our third equation. We find three equations, one from super mesh, one from KCL, and another from loop 3. Okay, after solving these three equations, I use my calculator to solve this I1 equal to, after solving this equation, we find I1 equal to minus 1.6. Actually this is not minus, we consider in clockwise, but current is always, here is equation, so we solve equation, we find minus because our assumption is wrong, so that current is actually flowing which direction? In this way, so that it will plus, it can be plus 5. Okay, then I2 is also equal to 0.341 ampere, and I3 equal to this minus 0.7073. okay, but actually 0.7073 ampere. Okay, actually current is in this direction. Okay, our objective to find voltage across 1 ohm. The current is flowing through 1 ohm is I1. Okay, so that voltage in 1 ohm is how much? 1.658 into 1, and 1.658 volt. Okay, if you want more problem regarding super mesh analysis, please comment. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.